Okay, so welcome to the snowshoe shed. Today we're going to be learning how to varnish all these beautiful snowshoes, and this presentation is brought to you by the Trillium Gear Crew of Daniel Coates and Robin Bresnahan. So there are a few slides that you can look for in our little informational slideshow before you start this process of the varnishing, but we'll just start right from here. Okay, so it's very important first, when you have your brush, you don't want to completely submerge it in the varnish. So as you can see, just in here, you're gonna only put like this a small top portion of the brush in, and when you take it out, you want to wipe it on the sides of the can like this. And this is very important, so when you're varnishing, you won't get clumps of varnish or anything. You'll get a fairly even distribution, and as well, if you're varnishing with more people, you won't have varnish splattering everywhere. So for the varnishing part, you want to make sure that you are getting everything, so including the babiche as well as the rim and everything, all the way, just the entire snowshoe. And when you're going to be doing this, you want to be doing varnishing in very well ventilated space. So as you can see, just looking around the shed, we have all the windows open, so we get good airflow coming through here, because the fumes from the varnish can make you very lightheaded quite quickly. This is also that's a good indicator of when to stop varnishing as well. If you're starting to feel like nauseated or lightheaded or anything, then that's a good indication of when to stop varnishing. So, and just very important, you want to get both sides. And why we varnish these snowshoes every season, it's important for the durability of the snowshoe. So what the varnish does is that it protects the babiche and the wooden rims of the snowshoe so that we don't get rot, and which is very important when you're starting the varnishing, that the snowshoes are dry. You don't want to trap any moisture with the varnish. And if you can look over on the pile on the table, we see that all the snowshoes, they have all the lamp wick and all the bindings removed from them, which is very important when you're going to be varnishing them. So you're almost done with this snowshoe here. And there we go. So now, I'm just going to hang this up somewhere in the rafters. Just put it up here, looks like that's what I put. Alright, so thanks for watching. That is our presentation on how to varnish snowshoes.